with their mom. Today we're doing a review on Beaker's Creators Bubbling Volcano Reactor. We're not being paid or sponsored by them. We're just doing this review. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Alright guys, let me put the box over here. We're going to open the egg. And we're going to put the egg here. Alright guys. You guys want to do the pour the water?
Yeah. See what happens? But you're going to pour it down a hole in the back.
Yeah. What I'm going to do is give you guys some.
I'm so sorry.
You guys want to help me pour the water?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Let it go. Let's see how long it takes. It's bubbling up, y'all. It's bubbling, it's bubbling, it's bubbling. Let's see.
It's not doing it.
It's not doing anything. Should I add more water?
Yeah.
That should be enough water, huh?
Still not bubbling. The bubble's popping.
Maybe it takes a while. Give it a couple of minutes. Let's just sit back and wait. It should take
20 minutes.
20 minutes?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. You think 20 minutes is going to be long enough?
Yes.
I think it's too long. You think so?
Yeah, it's too long. It's very long.
Let's start the timer. I don't think it's doing anything, guys.
Wait. I think it's just bubbles and those and bubbles. Wait. I think I see the thing. It's trying to do
It's
it.
opening up, guys. It's opening. It's opening.
The water is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Oh my
9,
goodness, it's opening up, Zaylin. Look, you see? See, Quincy, it's opening wider.
Look, that one side's a bubble on the side, but the bubble right here, but then like crack.
Oh my goodness.
Then the bubble's coming from the thing. I want to take super long. It's opening a little bit.
It opens some more?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. You think you should be that close to lava?
Yeah.
You think you should? I don't think it should be that close to lava.
Why?
Because look how it's on the box. It's supposed to come across the side.
It's not doing it, but it's gonna spill.
That's what it says.
But it's gonna make a mess everywhere.
That's all right. We got water
Watch.
to wipe it off.
You don't.
You guys gotta wash your face. Let's see. Let's turn it around. Are we supposed to turn anything?
It's opening. Say, don't do that.
You don't have to turn anything, Zaylin. It's just gotta be patient.
Mama, it's opening.
That's what I see.
I need to.
You guys got your face too close to the water.
Say, is it opening? It's open already.
Oh my goodness! It looked like it stopped.
No, how about turn something? It's cracking.
It's cracking, yes.
Let me see this side. It's not doing it, I guess.
You have to be patient, Zay.
It's opening more.
Why I gotta keep telling you to move your face out the hole? Oh my goodness, this is the most it has done though. It hasn't done anything else.
Push it really hard.
Are you supposed to shake it or something?
Yeah.
You're shaking it too hard, baby. You don't say you're supposed to shake it or anything.
Look, it's cracking some more. Mama, stop. Look, that hole is moving. See, don't touch it. I'm not.
Quit shaking it, baby, because it's not working.
I want to go like this. Until I say, come see it. God, speak this. Oh, it's cracking. It's cracking. It's so bigger. Let me see. Look, the size is low. I see toys.
You see toy? Oh my goodness, you do? Oh my goodness, it has opened up some more, huh?
It's not doing. No. What are you
So
doing?
you don't turn anything, baby.
It's opening some more.
Okay, we just have to be patient and wait.
It's 20 minutes already, but it's not.
It hasn't been 20 minutes.
I like this picture. Picture. La. A toy! Ah!
Oh my gosh.
I'm not time.
No, quit taking stuff.
Can I?
So the volcano is a flop.
Yeah, it's a flop.
It did not. Leave it alone, baby. Jalen, you don't.
I'll let them know it's a flop.
It's a flop. So the volcano game 3-actor is a flop. So we will have to try another experiment later because this did not work.
Bye, thanks for watching our
Channel.
Oh, got another experiment.
We have another experiment. Let's see.
Yeah.
The
So
egg is.
where's the? It's in
The
there.
toy is in here. We're gonna have that poured out.
Wait,
That's all I poured
it's
out.
not pouring out.
We're gonna pour it out. Can you scoot back for me, please?
I'm gonna put down.
So what we're gonna do?
It hit the megaphone. Let's open it. Oh my gosh.
Alright.
We are going to do the side experiment.
So we're doing.
Egg with it open. We're gonna put it inside the water and see what happens. I'll see. So do it. Sink. Do it. Sink.
Is it recording? Oh, we're doing the egg experiment. We're gonna put the boiled egg in the water versus the plastic egg. See which one floats. Then we're gonna put the boiled egg inside the plastic egg to see if it still floats.
So it will sink. No, it will float. It will sink.
See the boiled egg sunk.
Sunk? What's sunk? What does sunk mean?
It's sink.
Daddy, where you put this?
So now we're gonna put the boiled egg inside of the plastic egg and see if it sinks or floats.
It floats. It floats.
You gonna do it?
Yeah.
What do you think, guys? Do you think it'll sink or float?
Float.
Yay!
Yay!
It floats.
I know already. I know already. Kind of solid.
You don't see what that sink or float?
Yeah, I'm gonna see.
You think it'll sink?
Yep.
No, it's plastic. It don't float.
It's gonna float
Why?
because it's very lightweight.
Oh, I dropped it. Hey, I'm supposed to pick it up.
Yes.
Maybe.
And now we're gonna do the plastic egg all by itself.
Yeah.
What you think?
Float.
You sure?
No, it's gonna float. It's gonna float because it is still floating.
Yes. It didn't even go down at all without the egg inside, huh? See? Stay right on top.
Because it's big.
It's big. Oh my goodness.
But the other eggs are better than this egg. This one's small.
Which one is the ball egg?
It's small and it still
Get another
floats.
raw egg.
This one's small and it
You
still
don't listen, guys.
How do I open this and see?
No. Now we're gonna try
This.
a raw egg.
I'm gonna put it in. I didn't have a pen. It floats. It sinks. No, it sinks. It will sink.
It sinks.
Wait, I think the bottom water is enough. List the water.
So, guys, what we're gonna do is open the egg up to see if the yolk sink or float. What you think?
It's gonna float. I think it's going to sink.
You think it's gonna sink? Which
I'm
one?
gonna
No,
open
baby,
it.
I got it.
It will sink.
You gonna help?
It will
Sink or
sink.
float?
Sink.
Which one? Sink or float, baby?
I got it in my hand.
Which one? Sink or float, baby?
Sink. It's gonna sink. I got it.
See how you open it like that. Oh my God, it sank.
Yeah.
See, Quincy, you was right.
Yay.
It all the way to the bottom.
Let me see.
You want to drink it? Oh no. No, that's nasty.
Nah, then why tell me that?
I want to see what your answer will be. All right,
I
guys.
got all my hands.
It's okay. We're going to dry them off. So, guys, we're done with the experiment with the eggs.
Now we're doing that one.
We're going to do Dinosaur.
Yay!
It's a review
Yeah, it's a good
on a toy that...
I'm saying. Then we are gonna play it, but there has a tree under there. Mama, but we are gonna play it from Mama's. This one.
What?
Is Mama says Quincy and me.
Yes, it's Mama, Quincy, and Zaylin.
Yeah!
All right, guys, what we're going to do, we got to open it up.
What is Mama's name?
My name is Sheila. I am Zaylin and Quincy's mom.
Yeah, I heard my mom too. Mama, can I put the box over there?
You did. Awesome.
It comes strong.
You're strong.
Look at my muscle, Mom. Mom, look at my muscle.
Yeah.
My muscle is me.
Yeah, but you got to give Mama a chance to open the box.
Okay. You knew
Struggling. I'm struggling. Mama's struggling because she's trying to open and take the tape off with no nails. Oh, my gosh.
Yeah, yeah, with no nails.
I do. So
Only
much tape.
Only girls have nails. I'm boys.
This is, I didn't realize there's this much tape on here. Oh, shoot, it's got some scissors.
All we need is
Do they have a tape real well?
Too well. Got like 5 pieces of tape on the box. Let's hope all the pieces are here. Oh, goodness.
I'm gonna push that.
Let's see.
Hey, kids. We're playing
That's open.
Look,
That's
I
open.
know.
Let me take all this tape off my finger. Take it out.
See, look. Look at our lights again. Look at the dinosaur. Open, open.
Oh my gosh.
I didn't know it opened.
Take all this.
Look, Mama.
All right, baby. Let me see if there's any instructions in here. That's everything got the box.
Yeah, it doesn't have the box, so this one. We're gonna play this for a few minutes. Then we go play.
So it says dinosaurs versus humans.
Humans. Dinosaurs versus humans.
So it says it's a dual game. Each player has 12 plastic bullets, 6 dinosaurs, which are orange and green, respectively. The 2 players shoot in turns. When they hit each other, the dinosaur MP is out, which is 1 point. The one who jumps out more will lose. Other player will win. Game played.
I did it.
You did. So I'm guessing this must go here.
Let's see that. I'm gonna open it. I want to open it. So,
Perfect.
Mama.
So like, I need the box to see how to put everything on here.
Let me show you this one.
Okay.
I can help.
Oh, so you put the dinosaurs up here.
And do like this. See that? What's that? No.
Y'all have to be patient.
I didn't do it.
No, Quincy. Why you take it back off? Turn around.
So why can't you put these inside
Wait a
here?
minute, guys. You gotta wait. Give me a chance.
Okay. Yeah, we put it inside here. We pin it. Let me pin it.
Are you sure that's where you go?
Yeah.
Let me see.
Let me do it.
Zayden, don't open all those. You don't need all those, baby. You don't need all those. No.
Can we do that?
Let me see. Is this how you shoot? Zayden, I don't think that's the right way. Are you sure?
And this.
Does it supposed to go like this? How you shoot them out?
Okay. No, you gotta put down my
you're knocking down the dinosaurs. Whoever knocked down everybody's dinosaur wins. Yeah. There you go. Good job. Good job. See, you gotta shoot. You gotta aim at. You have to aim at these dinosaurs, and you have to aim at these dinosaurs. Layla.
I think I have no way. I think I need to start all over.
You have to wait till you have to wait, Zayla. You can't shoot at his dinosaurs without him being ready. That's considered cheating.
Come on,
You got them all in there, Zayla. You have to shoot.
why don't
That's because you got too many in there, baby. You got too many in there. Go ahead and shoot.
I just not saying it.
Go ahead and shoot.
And then you're done.
Go ahead. There you go. Good job. So you get to knock Quincy dinosaurs down right here. You better knock them down.
I can't.
Oh, Quincy won!
Yay!
No crying.
We can do it
You gotta
again.
do it again. Set them up.
Do mine.
Make sure you both have 6.
I just not saying it. No. No. Oh, Daddy.
How many you gotta have? You're both supposed to have 6 over here.
My dad. Hey, let's go.
They don't look. They look. They don't have to wait. You can't.
Yeah, you have to wait.
You have to put this in for me. And so we're gonna put one right here and right here. All right. Do you have 6, Quincy, in there? That's yours.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
All right.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
All right. Both you guys have 6 now. You have to shoot. Shoot. There. That's yours.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
All right.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
All right. Both you guys have 6 now. You have to shoot the dinosaur out.
Okay.
You gotta keep it down. Oh. You gotta move. You gotta aim the way, baby. You gotta move left and right.
Oh! I'm not doing this. Oh. Quincy, don't do it yet. Come, I run. No, Quincy, I'm running out too. Don't do it yet. I'm running out.
You have a lot in here because it's showing. It's gonna pop out. That's good enough. Leave them right here. That's good enough. That's good, Zay.
Okay. Nope. I'm not doing this. Oh. Don't do it.
There you go. Keep aiming. Aim it.
No, Quincy's cheating.
No.
Mama, I'm losing.
No. It's all right, baby. It's no losers. You can always start again. Go ahead and shoot. You can't shoot that in your hands, Aylin. Around, you gotta turn.
Oh no. Oh no. I'm doing super hard.
Oh, look at this. It's not as easy as you thought, huh? Go ahead and knock it out. Awesome.
I like staying for that way.
Good job.
One day I like to that way.
All right. Good job, Zay. Good job, Quincy.
No good, don't do it.
Uh-oh. Zayden got 3 more to go. Quincy got 3 more to go. So you're gonna move.
Don't do it. Don't do it yet, Quincy.
You're gonna move all these out the way, so you have to see what else you got to move out the way. And go ahead and scoop the rest of them off.
Oh.
Awesome.
They got 3 more. Quincy, don't do it. No, Quincy, don't do it.
It's all right, baby. It's all right. It's just a game. It's just a game. Go ahead and shoot. There you go. There you go. Trying to aim it up.
Quincy, is it real okay?
Yeah, I'll stuff this under the balls out. Wait a minute. Wait 1 second. I need the balls. You move these 2 balls out the way. Get the diamonds out the way. You move the balls out. Wait a minute.
Quincy needs to go. Another ball.
It's all right, baby.
18.
And you gotta do it. And now knock on your zone. Awesome. Oh boy, they got 1 more cookie. Oh, good job, Jaden. Good job. Y'all want to try again?
Yeah! And put all
You gotta put all your dinosaurs back.
I'm getting mine for Dr. Walker so they cannot shoot it. So they cannot shoot it from you.
Okay, you good? You got your 6. Each one of you guys supposed to have 6. Set them up where you want them to go. This is your side. No, this is your side. You have to set it up on your side. And you can choose your dinosaurs you want. Choose the dinosaur. No, those are Quincy's. Quincy's already set those up.
I'm ready. No, you can't do it yet.
She's not ready yet. No, let her choose her own dinosaur.
Hey, don't do what I say do.
You have 6. You're only supposed to have 6. Now you have 7. Wait. You only can have 6. Take one of them off.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Count that one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
All right. How many you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Awesome.
Can't you?
They were like you out quick. No. It's all right. It's all right. You can put that on. Go ahead. You're gonna cry.
I'm gonna do it again. Hey, Pussy, don't do it yet. I like this game. Don't start it.
I see.
Just let
What do you do with all the dinosaurs?
1, 2, 3, 4. Say it's not gonna get 5. There's one more. Hey, it's 2.
No, count your dinosaurs because what is
1,
one
2,
missing?
3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
What's this?
6. Okay, listen.
Okay.
Oh.
Good. Girl, stop. No, he knocked it down already. Stop. No. You want to clean it off? Yeah, you got one right here. Be careful. Good job. Wait a minute, y'all. Wait a minute. Let's wait. Let's get out of the stuff real quick. Let's find the balls. Let's get all the balls off the thing before we start shooting again. Let's get all the balls out. Y'all won't have. Like I said, wait a minute. Yeah, let's get all the balls out. So I can have enough balls so y'all won't be calm to stop them.
I got these boards.
Quincy, you're not listening. What are you shooting at?
I don't have I got a lot now.
Really, you don't need that many. You don't need that many in it. You think you're gonna overfill it? Just keep the extras right here.
I want to get this dinosaur.
Okay, guys, get your dinosaurs.
That's super fun. I want to finish Quincy. But you can't go whatever people do because that's cheating. So I have 1, 2, 3. Hey, I got.
You got too many of your things that's gonna pop on the floor.
I have too many. I have just 3. If I say go, you go. But not yet. Go.
Right, go ahead.
Go. No, because he's saying. And you should buy dinosaur.
This is the end of the show, guys. Thank you for watching.
Yeah.
The game is what?
Pick up on.
The game is Dual Dinosaurs. Thank you for watching.
What would you give it? An A or B or what?
I would give it a 9 out of 10 stars because my babies are in.
How y'all like the game, Kill, Zayla?
Good.
You like it? All right, cool. You want to play it again?
Yeah. So we love this game.
All right, cool.
It's so fun to be.
So,
1.
Zayla Kill?
Yes.
Zayla Kill.
Thank you for watching the channel.
Like,
Subscribe.